go.
Alright, I put Elliot to work this time, so guaranteed that it's going to be messed up, but I'll just supervise him. And you're supposed to put this back on. Are you supposed to drill holes in this? Oh, I guess I'll look at the manual. This one, if we take this off, take these off, yeah, and then just let it, yeah, do that one and this one.
Hey, at least these are all the same size. That's
Yeah,
nice.
we'll be able to do it like that. That's fine.
Okay. So, where's the mount? Like this one? Pretty close to these holes.
Yeah. All right. Alright, so we can see we got the 4 rib nuts in here, 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 here. They had to be opened up with a 3/8 inch bit. And then we're going to stick this back up. Going to put some spacers here. Pretty much bolt it back in. That's pretty much all it is. Pretty simple install. So let's get some spacers. Alright, so it came with a bunch of these like different size spacers. Looks like maybe a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and a 1 inch spacer. There's 3 different sizes, and it came with a bunch of them. And I guess the objective now is to find. These things are like butter. Is basically to space this down so that it's not touching. So I think towards the front it's a little bit deeper than the back, so that's probably why the 1 inch are up here. And it gets a little shallower here, and then it looks like it's deeper again back here. So I'm guessing that the 1/2 inch or so, 1/4 inch ones will be here, 1 inch ones here, 1 inch ones there. But anyways, and it also came with a couple different size of these button head Allens. So we'll just start putting stuff up and see how it flows. So if you want to hold this up, we need to space it off of the exhaust. So it needs to, let's just do this. Let's hang this one just to hold it up here. All right. Then what I want to do, I'm going to put this one here. Again, just to hold it for us. All right, you can let go. You can hang it. It won't break it. All right, let's get a couple more bolts, and we'll space one side, and then we'll do the other side. I told you, dude.
Back off.
I told you they're like butter.
Well, they don't taste like butter, so don't try it.
A little bit more. One of each. How's that? Is it going to be touching this, or it's got to come off of it a little bit?
It's okay if it touches, right?
Because right there is where it's going to be.
Because this is actually holding it up.
Oh, true. It's going to have to touch it then.
It has to.
So I think then I've got to take off one of those.
As long as we're not touching the exhaust.
Well,
I
Actually,
Wait,
well,
wait.
we're not spaced off there, so it's gonna have to be spaced off of this. Well, it's gonna hold it up. There's gonna be spacers there.
True, true.
So I guess we'll just leave this how it is, and we'll just go with that for now. And if we don't like it, once everything else is done, then we'll change it.
Go back.
All right, so that's one of each there. We'll do one of each over here. All right. And then let's do one big one. Okay, let that go. I'm totally guessing right now of what's going to be what. So,
How they said it goes.
yeah. And then I think the next one overlaps. So, and then that takes that off of there a little bit more. So we need one more medium and one more long bolt for this side. Well, I think that's what you just gave me. So, and this is also pushed back as far as it can go out of these oblong. We can pull it forward if we feel so inclined. Now that we have our spacing, so as you see, it can slide back and forth. All right, so then I think then we're gonna need along with the short bolt here, and probably a long and a middle one for the back, but I don't know. That's just guessing. So put that up in. Then I think, now that I'm thinking about it, I might want to use this because it's going to have more. So let's do this.
It's exhausting watching you work.
All right, so as you can see, all we did was use some spacers. So like I said, for ours, I think this was 2 of the medium spacers, one of the big ones in the front. This is a big one, big one, big one, big one, and I think a big one and a little one. And this was for the 22, and it gets it off, nothing's hitting. You can see nothing's rattling when you pound on that. And that's pretty much it. Now, he does have a diffuser that we'll probably get to. I think you got to add some stuff here. You need to drill into here, put a couple rib nuts, everything bolts up, and that's pretty much how the diffuser will go on. And I think this has to come off or something or other. Anyways, that will conclude this. And then, as you can see we did have another video, but this is the control arms that we put on and the tie rod kits for his toe. We put on the coilovers, and we did a full alignment previously. And then also in the front, we have coilovers, stock stuff up here, but I believe he has some lower control arms for the car and end links for the sway bars. So anyways, let me see if that's all we're going to tackle for the day. And if it is, then I will see you next time. If it's not, then we will continue on. Thanks for watching.
Powered by Ocho.